Hello, gardeners. Radishes come in many shapes and flavors, and today we'll explore two popular types: red radishes like Cherry Belle and the larger, milder Daikon radish. Red radishes, like the Cherry Belle variety, are a gardener's favorite for their fast growth and spicy flavor. They're often ready for harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks and add a refreshing, crisp bite to salads and snacks. Imagine the satisfaction of pulling these vibrant little gems out of your garden in less than a month. Now, let's talk about Daikon radishes. Daikon radishes, known for their mild flavor, are widely used in Asian cuisine. They require a longer growth period of around 60 days and need more garden space. But trust me, their large, white roots are worth the wait. They're perfect for cooking, pickling, and adding to soups. If you have the patience and space, Daikons can be a rewarding addition to your garden. With their unique flavors and growing needs, these radish varieties offer delicious options for any garden. Whether you're looking for a quick-growing, spicy treat or a versatile, mild addition to your culinary adventures, both red radishes and daikons have something special to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on growing radishes. Happy gardening!